Hey everyone! So many versions of Windows 10 have stopped receiving security updates. You can sign in to extend your updates for one more year, but for those of you who know about the Windows 10 LTSC version, it will still get updates until 2032. A lot of people whose hardware doesn't support Windows 11 are looking to download the Windows 10 LTSC ISO, but beware. Many links out there are fake and may contain malicious files. In this video, we're going to show you how to confirm whether the ISO you downloaded is genuine or fake. So, head over to this site. Just a heads up, we're not providing any ISO links here. We're only showing you how to verify your ISO operating system files to avoid downloading malicious ones. Always remember to do your research before downloading any ISO files. Now that we've already downloaded this tool, we'll take a look at the scan results. Just so you know, we won't recommend any program without testing it on our own PC first, so you can rest assured about the program's safety. This program comes in a RAR file, but opening RAR files is super easy. You can just search the Windows Store for a program called NanaZip and install it. We'll make a detailed video about that in the future. Once you run the exe inside that folder, you'll see this screen. All you need to do is load the ISO file and click on Verify. It'll take a little time, but don't worry, we've already verified our ISO file and it will say genuine once the verification is complete. If it's not genuine, you'll see a cross sign instead. In the next part of this video, we'll show you how to safely install the ISO file onto a USB. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Sorry for the plug-in, I just wanted to share some of our freelance work. We offer web development, graphic design, and editing services. You can find the links in the description. Feel free to email us if you're interested. You can skip this part if you want. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it helps. Just a quick reminder. We have created more useful videos like this on our channel, so please check them out. If you liked this video, please do subscribe. If you disliked it, please let us know in the comments what we can improve. Have a good day.